I was just 8 years old when I slept beside a snake and I didn't know. Yes, I found out the next day. So I was staying with my grandparents at that age, and on that fateful day, I was tasked to do something earlier in the morning before going to school, and I couldn't, right, because I was also late for school. So I decided to rush to school and then come back later to complete whatever it was. And then I got back from school and I went out playing. Kids, I went out playing with friends and I completely forgot I had something to do back at home. So I got back home, I ate and everything. I went back to play. So on my arrival back home, my grandfather was just standing at the entrance and he was like, "You dare enter this compound today, that will be the end of you." And I had to just find a place to sleep at that night. So there was this tunnel like, concrete, round cylinder. It's very big. It's like a pipe, a bigger pipe, right? It was round and it was just by the roadside, by the gutter actually. Those things are usually used in constructing gutters. It was very big and then long. So I decided, okay, let me just spend the night inside this tunnel, because my grandfather is very fearful. He was so strict, and I knew if I should step my foot in that house, I was going to get into trouble. So I decided to just sleep inside this cylinder concrete thing. And I entered, right? I was sleepy, I was tired and everything. I hadn't even had my bath. So I decided to just lay there and then sleep. And I did. But before I slept, I noticed the thing, whatever that was there, but then I didn't really put my mind to it. I thought it was just a stick. Right? I thought it was just a stick or something. So I didn't really put my mind to it until the next one. I slept comfortably. I slept unbothered. And then this snake was right beside me. We both slept in the same space without even doing anything to each other, without talking to each other, without harming each other. We slept peacefully till the next morning when I woke up. So when I woke up and then I noticed it was actually a snake, I freaked out. And then when I freaked out, the snake was just so quiet. It didn't move. So I just found my way out quietly, went back with my feet was outside the tunnel. So I just went back bit small until I was able to, get out of the whole tunnel. And I went back home. And guess what? At the end of the day, I was still beaten. Whatever that was meant to happen to me that day that I went to sleep inside that tunnel still happened anyways. So see what would have happened, see the danger I had to put myself through. And I have so much stories to tell you guys, so much memories to share with you guys. So make sure you're actually subscribed, following me on all social media platforms, because I'll be giving you all the gist, all the memories that I've had, growing up. I have so much stories to tell you guys. So be with me and then let's enjoy food whilst we tell stories. This is basically food and memory. So stay with me and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.